Hey everyone, Andrew here, and in today's video we are going to look at de-Googling your life. 5 easy first steps. Google makes great stuff. It's fast, it's free, it's everywhere, but the trade-off is your data becomes a product. If you've ever felt a little too seen by the internet, then this one's for you. 5 easy steps to de-Google your life, no doomsday bunker required. Okay, so what we're doing and not doing. I talk privacy without forcing you to live like it's 1998. Today we'll swap out search, browser, email, maps and phone backups. Not because Google is evil, but because choice is good and privacy is better. Keep what you love, replace what tracks you. Simple. Alright, so step 1, we're going to replace Google search. Search is the habit we do about 50 times a day. Google's results are great, but you pay with your search history, click patterns and a profile that follows you around. So we're going to look at some alternatives, and they are Brave search, DuckDuckGo and Startpage. So Brave, it's got independent index, not just reskinned Google. No account, no creepy following. It's like Google results without the baggage. Then there is DuckDuckGo. Strong privacy defaults, no tracking and bangs to jump straight to sites like Wikipedia or YouTube. Quick and simple. And the one I personally use is Startpage. The exact Google results, but Startpage sits between you and Google so Google doesn't see you. Perfect if you love Google results, but not Google watching. When you switch, you'll still find what you need. You'll just stop paying with your life story. Step 2, move to a privacy browser. Chrome is slick, but it's also made by an ad company. That's like living in a glass house built by a binocular salesman. Alternatives, and the one I use is Firefox. It's open source, not ad funded, with real tracking protection baked in. You're not the business model. Then we have Brave. Brave is Chromium based, so sites work great, but blocks trackers and ads by default. Think Chrome Energy without Google as your landlord. And then a must-have add-on is uBlock Origin. It's the MVP. It blocks ads, trackers and junk. So all you have to do there is just install it and turn it on. Alright, so next we want to get a non-Google email. Gmail is wonderful, but it also keeps you in Google's gravity well. If you want to step out of the ecosystem a bit, switching email is the highest impact move. So some alternatives, Proton Mail, it's end-to-end encryption, Swiss privacy laws and a full suite with Drive and Calendar and VPN. If private by default had a poster child, it's Proton. They have a free tier with 1 gig storage, 1 user and 1 email address with no credit card required. And then next up we have Tuta. Tuta has end-to-end encrypted. It's German privacy, clean apps and built-in encrypted calendars and contacts. I think Tuta also has a free tier with 1 gig storage as well. And I use Tuta personally myself, and I've had no issues with them at all. So I would recommend them. I'm not affiliated with any of these companies, but I will leave links in the description below, and there will be non-affiliate links. So I won't be getting any commission if you use those links. Okay. Next up we have Fastmail. It's not end-to-end encrypted by default, but privacy respecting with fantastic features and support. Great if you want per user email without surveillance. And the pricing for Fastmail, it starts at €5 per month. So if I had a choice, it would be between Proton and Tuta. If you need a VPN and Drive and Calendar, you'd probably go towards Proton because they have the whole suite there. But if you're just looking for email, an email and calendar, something a bit more simple, then Tuta would be the way to go. Alright, and step number 4, we're going to replace Google Maps, at least partially. Google Maps is incredible. It's also a detailed diary of where you go, when, and how often. If that makes you a little bit itchy, try a hybrid approach. So, alternatives are organic maps. It's open source, based on OpenStreetMap, works great offline, perfect for daily routes, hiking, and traveling without a data trail. Then there is OSM and it's powerful, customizable, offline maps with layers. It's nerd heaven if you like toggles. Then there's Apple Maps. If you're in Apple land, their privacy stance is better and maps have improved a ton. You could keep Google Maps as well, but just use it signed out or incognito if you have to use it. You'll still get to where you're going. You'll just stop inviting half the ad industry along for the ride. Alright, and step number 5, de-Google your backups and photos. Google Photos and Drive are super convenient, but your memories don't need to double as ad targeting fuel. Proton Drive, along with Proton Photos, private storage and encrypted photo backup that isn't mining your memories. Then for Apple users, there is iCloud. Solid privacy defaults, easy integration, not perfect but miles better than handing everything over to an ad network. And then Nextcloud, self-hosted, or you could use a trusted provider for files, photos, calendars, the whole suite on your terms. Your photos don't need to pay rent with your privacy. So make it stick, a tiny plan. Just pick 2 changes this week, browser and search. Next week, email. Week after, maps and photos. That's it. No drama, just less tracking. Day 1, install Firefox or Brave plus uBlock Origin. Day 2, set Brave search, DuckDuckGo or Startpage as default. Day 3, create a Proton, a Tuta or a Fastmail account. Day 4, install organic maps. And day 5, set non-Google photo backup. Just take it gradually, not all at once. There you have it, that's it. De-Googling, it isn't about hating Google, it's about choice and reducing risk. Keep what's genuinely great, replace what spies, and take back a little control. If you found this video helpful, please consider giving a thumbs up, leaving a comment below, and I would really appreciate it if you hit the subscribe button. That's it for now. See ya!